Using one-to-one correspondence when counting is really important, and we looked in the last video at how you can count objects, making sure that you're using a one-to-one correspondence to make sure that you're getting the right amount. But once children have got that, they can start to actually use the digits themselves and start to recognise how to read and write numbers. So let's look at some games for how to use the actual digits when we're doing one-to-one correspondence in counting. You could do this using either an egg carton, or you could also use a muffin tin. You can write numbers in and then children can count out the right amount. No need to have any particular order to it. They can do whatever they like, so they might want to go for 4. And then whatever you're using, these are popcorn seeds, 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple as that. You could get outside if it's a nice day and use paving slabs or the road outside. You could draw numbers, whether it's with water or with chalk, and then get children to count objects onto them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could use real cakes for this, or you could do this out of Play-Doh, make some cakes out of Play-Doh. But you could have numbers on them, so this one says 4, this one says 3, and then the children would have to put some decorations on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. In my experience, anything involving food is sure to get your child interested. This is a really simple matching card game that you could make with your child, or just you could make for your child. On one set of cards, you have the digits written, and then on another set, you have them drawn out so that they would have to count. And it's just like any matching card games. You turn over 2 and you see whether they match. That says 11. Does that match? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, no, not a pair this time. Oh, let's try another one. This says 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so that's a pair, and they've got that. Another game you could play with these digit cards is to get children to turn them over and then race to go and find that amount of a certain thing. Might be that amount of socks or that amount of pasta shapes, whatever it is. And they can make it into a race with other children who are at a similar level to them. So there was a selection of games for using digits in one-to-one correspondence when we're counting. The next step would be for children to start to compare numbers to see whether they are more or less or bigger or smaller than other numbers, which is what we will explore in another video.